Don't you feel time management is very important in life to achieve your goals? Hello friends, I am Gajanan Sangle, numerologist, Vastu consultant and motivational guide. Today I will talk with you regarding time management. Time management is basically dividing and allocating your time wisely to do important tasks in a day. You must be wondering why it is important or beneficial for us. Let me tell you, there are various reasons for it. There is a saying, your future is decided by what you do today and not by what you do tomorrow. Time management is very important for our career growth. It is one of the key factors to success in any field of work. For example, if we won't devote an equal amount of time to all the things that you want in life, we may not be able to achieve what we want, and this will affect your life. Do you know? Time management also teaches us patience. Through time management, we can estimate how much time is needed or to be devoted to a particular activity or a task in life. Each work or task requires a certain amount of time. If we are spending more time on that work, we are wasting our time. Time is money. It should not be wasted. It is so precious that once time is gone, it never returns. Time management also teaches us to balance our life. We should not spend our day doing just one task. When we make a timetable for time management, we should include everything in it. For example, food time, play time, exercise time, study time, and the most important, it's the family time. If we do not do time management, we may spend more time on a particular task and may completely avoid another. For example, people spend more time in the office and completely forget to exercise, which affects their health. Similarly, people spend more time outside their house and they completely forget that they have a family which supports them whenever they are in need. So, family time is also one of the important part in time management. In short, time management demands attention as it is very important for our overall well-being. All the people living on the earth, irrespective of whether the person is rich or poor, all the people have the same time every day to get and to achieve their goals or to achieve whatever they want in life. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but do you know you cannot get more time? Time management is one of the important key factor for progress of any person in life. I would request you all to manage your time and live a balanced, happy and a contented life. Thank you.